Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can split the screen on your Windows 11 PC. First, I'll open some apps. If I want to use multiple apps at the same time without needing to minimize, see how difficult things become. I have to constantly adjust the windows in order to use all of these apps in one screen. Now to solve this issue, we can use split screen. With split screen, you can equally or unequally split the screen so that you can perform tasks on the same screen. To do that, you just simply need to click and drag any window on the top of the screen until you see split screen tiles. You will get 4 options. You can either choose split into 2, 3 or 4. I'll choose 4 here. After that, click on the apps which you want to split in each of the sections like this. Now, if you want to adjust the size of any window, simply just click and drag the partition of the window like this. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.